Welcome to another episode of Manga Cooking. In this video, we're gonna make the Island of Women's Laughing Mushroom dish by world-renowned chef Sanji. It comes from the One Piece Pirate Recipes by Sanji Cookbook. Subscribe and follow us on our journey to make all of his recipes from the East Blue in this cookbook. For this recipe, we need 2 king trumpet mushrooms, 1 pack shimeji mushrooms, 6 shiitake mushrooms, 2 sprigs rosemary, 3 pieces of bacon, half teaspoon salt and pinch of pepper, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, lastly 1 pat butter. Starting with the shiitake mushrooms, remove the stems first. Cut the shiitake into 1/3 inch, roughly 1 centimeter slices. For the shimeji mushrooms, we'll cut the base off first. After the base has been cut off, we separate the mushroom into small bunches. The king oyster mushrooms will be cut into 1.5 inch, roughly 3 centimeter pieces first. Those pieces will be thinly sliced. With a sharp knife, cut the bacon into 1/4 inch, roughly 7mm slices. You can stack the bacon on top of each other and cut them together to save time, assuming you're using a sharp knife. If the bacon does not cut easily, your knife is dull and needs to be sharpened or replaced. Put the vegetable oil in a pan on medium heat. Put the 2 sprigs of rosemary in the pan and move it around for a bit. When the oil has become fragrant, put the bacon in the pan. Separate the bacon in the pan to fry up. Once the bacon is fried for a short time, put all the mushrooms in the pan. With most of the ingredients in the pan, mix everything up. After everything has been mixed up, cover the pan and put it on low heat for 4 minutes to steam. When the 4 minutes are up, remove the lid, put the salt in the pan, and then mix everything again. Put the lid on the pan again and continue steaming for another 4 to 5 minutes. Occasionally remove the lid and mix until the liquid is gone and the bacon has been fried and no longer pink. With the bacon fried and liquid gone, add the pepper, then the butter, and mix. Do a taste test to see if it needs more salt. If the food tastes great, then turn off the heat and you're done cooking. On a scale of 1 to 5 choppers for difficulty, with 1 being easy and 5 being difficult, I give it 1 chopper for how easy this dish was to make. The only hard part was finding the mushrooms at my local Asian supermarket. Looks tasty, doesn't it? Itadakimasu. You can really taste the umami which comes from the mushrooms. The bacon provides texture when eating it with the squishy mushrooms, giving a complimentary mouthfeel. You get a strong taste of the rosemary in the dish. The leaves that are left in the dish are cooked enough so you don't get a rough texture from eating it. On a scale of 1 to 5 choppers for how tasty it is, I give it 4 choppers. The mushrooms are tasty, but the rosemary flavor is a little strong. Maybe using 1 sprig of rosemary would have been better. So where do the ingredients come from on the island of women in One Piece? After Luffy lands on the island, he encounters a wild boar and eats it, which is where the bacon comes from. For the mushrooms, Luffy was foraging on the island and found mushrooms to eat. While the mushrooms we cooked were not the laughing, anger, and body parasite mushrooms Luffy ate, they do resemble them in terms of appearance. You can buy the cookbook too through the link in the description below as an ebook or physical hardcover. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Just for fun, I rearranged the plate to make a creature that looked like it could be from One Piece, but it ended up looking like Kokushibo from Demon Slayer. Until next time, see ya!